Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to troubleshoot issues on a WordPress website without having to place the site under maintenance. Let's get started. The first step to troubleshooting any website is to identify if the issue is specific to a page or a post, or it's affecting the entire site. A good practice is to clear the cache of the site to make sure you are not using a corrupted or outdated version of the cache. Updating your themes and plugins may also help. That said, let's check if the issue is related to a specific plugin, theme, or WordPress update. One of the common causes of WordPress issues is plugin conflicts. To troubleshoot this issue, we try disabling all plugins and then enabling them one by one. See which one is causing the problem. To disable plugins without placing the site under maintenance, you can use the plugin Health Check and Troubleshooting. Activate it and click on Troubleshoot. Then set the theme under Available Themes to the one used on your website. If you use a call builder or template system like Avada, you will have to enable them while troubleshooting to see the normal appearance of your page. Here, for example, the site is not under maintenance for visitors, but I can troubleshoot the site with any theme or plugin activated. You are now ready to troubleshoot the plugins. Test the plugins you want to troubleshoot by using Enable while troubleshooting. A common cause of WordPress issues is theme conflicts. To troubleshoot this issue, try switching to a default theme like 2021 or 2020 while troubleshooting with Health Check and Troubleshooting. To do this, click on the default theme you want to switch to and click Switch to Theme. If these steps didn't help, you can disable troubleshooting mode and move to the next steps. Be careful though. Changes to plugin settings are kept after the troubleshooting is deactivated. Sometimes, website issues can be caused by cache and cookies, so try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser settings and look for the option to clear cache and cookies. Once you cleared them, try accessing your website again to see if the issue is resolved. If it's still not resolved, check the WordPress debug log for error messages that can help you identify the issue. To do this, go to your website root directory. Look for the wp-config.php file. Open the file and look for the line that says define WP debug and define WP debug log and set it to true instead of false. You may also use the plugin WP debugging and activate it. It will actually do the same. Again, refresh your website and check for error messages in the debug log. You should find a file called debug.log in the WP content folder of your website. And that's it. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot your WordPress website without having to place it under maintenance. And remember, always back up your database and files before making any major changes to avoid losing content. Feel free to contact us if you need our help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.